Hello, everyone. My name is Lucy and I'm a freelancer. You're welcome to today's class. If it's your first time here, you're very much welcome. You would want to check our previous videos to catch up on some of our lectures and also hit the subscribe button to always get other lectures as they drop. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing and I hope you enjoy today's class. Today we'll be discussing the HR tag. The HR tag in HTML is used to create a horizontal line which separates sections. It is another self-closing tag, which means that it does not require an ending tag or a closing tag. It stays open like that. The color, the size, the width of the horizontal line can be adjusted or changed using CSS property. Although we are not going to go into CSS fully right now, but we'll just check one or two things on CSS to make the adjustments on this HR tag. So let's go into the work for today. So after creating your file, we'll go into our workspace. Now we're going to type in something and check out our HR tag. Now let's type my first line. Now after typing my first line, we're going to use the HR tag. Just type HR and enter. So when you type HR and enter, it's going to give you the opening tag. That's it. Very simple. Now we're going to go to our website, our web page, to see how it's going to appear. This is our file. You click on your file and it takes you to your web page. Because it is already written as .html, that is why it's appearing like this here on your web with the sign of your web page. So let's go to the web page and see how it looks like there. You see the horizontal line? It extends from the right end to your left end. See the horizontal line under my first line that I wrote that we type. Okay, now you don't really need to put this HR tag on the same line with your write-up. I put it under and it will still come out the same. Let's refresh our page. You see, it's still the same. Whether that tag is on the same line with your write-up or under the write-up, it's still the same. So let's check something else. Let's make an adjustment to that line. Let's color the line. Let's give it a color with a CSS property. Now, this is my second line. My second line is what I'm going to write, and I'm going to draw a line under this and color it. Now, when I want to color, instead of me to write outside the bracket sign, I'm going to write inside. Now, I'll put the color. If you type color, just COL, it comes out and you click enter. It gives you the sign of equal to and quotation mark. So let me use this color, the red color. Refresh your page. You see, the horizontal line is red. You can change this color to any color you wish to. You can make it blue, black, yellow, whatever color you would want to. So let's take another thing. Let us work on the size of the HR tag, my third line. So on this third line, we're going to work on the size. We've talked on just the HR, the color, and now we're going to see how to adjust the size of your horizontal line. Sorry, my third line. Now my HR, what I'm going to write there is size 30 pixels. The pixels is px. So when you type size, it comes out your equal to and your quotation mark. Whatever you're going to write or the command you want to give to it is inside that quotation mark. If you don't put anything there, nothing happens. So let us refresh. Now you see the size. Okay, since it's not that clear, let's include a color to it. Let's use a blue color so that you can see the size very well. Color, remember how we did the color initially? Color, let's use blue. Refresh your page. You see the size of the line now? It's fatter than the first one we did, right? All right, let's do another adjustment to the line. Let's take our fourth line. My fourth line. This fourth line, we're going to work on the width. We've worked on the horizontal line itself. We've adjusted the color. We've adjusted the size. Now let's talk on the width, how to adjust the width. It's very simple, just like the others that you've been doing. You've been coding, sorry. Just type your HR. Inside of the brackets, you type width. And the equal to and the quotation mark appears. If they don't, you can type it in yourself. Then you put your command in the quotation mark. Now, the size I'm going to give to it, let's give it 40%. 40%. And let's see what we've done. You see the width? 40% of the page is what it's covering now. You can make it 50%, you can make it 10%. Now, for you to be clearer so you can see it very well, let's give it a color. Let's say black, so that you can see the width very well. Now you see the width, it's black. Let's check something out. Let's put width again. Just want to do a trial and error. Although nothing is going to come out, but I just want to show you something. If you should put another width size, it's not going to work. Let's try it and see. Refresh your page. See? Nothing happens. But let's go and change that width to size. Let's take a size and 20 pixels in size. Let's see how it's going to come out. 20 pixels in size, refresh your page. You see, it's easy, right? So that's it for HR tag. If you have any question, I'll be in this comment section to answer your question. Thank you for attending today's class. Bye.